everyone, do you like Vietnamese broken rice? The soul of broken rice is pork skin shreds. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. In this video, I will show my professional secrets to that fluffy and non-sticky texture. Unlike basic recipe, we use a marinated pork loin, cooked slowly to be tender, and mixed with crunchy pork skin and homemade toasted rice powder Thính to achieve premium flavor. Let's start with the pork. I use pork loin here. You can use pork fillet, or you like fattier, you can use pork belly. This is a healthy version. I use pork loin. The marinade is very simple. Garlic powder, pepper, salt. Make sure you marinate both sides. You can see the meat is a little thick. So massage them to help it tender. And I crushed the white parts of green onion into it. Now I heat the skillet and I add the oil. You don't need to add a lot of oil. Try to be healthy here. But you need to be sure that it's hot. I added the white part of green onion, so it brings up the aroma now. When you smell it, that means the time. You can drop your pork in. You can marinate it 10 minutes, or you can leave it overnight in the fridge. You hear this sizzle? That's the right temperature. You needed that. Don't take too long, just 1 or 2 minutes, and you flip and see the other side. Just like this, and perfect for flipping. You see, both sides are perfectly seared. Now I see my skillet a little dry, so I add a little oil, but not necessary if you completely don't want it. But for the better version, you can use pork fat here. Now I add fish sauce, and I cover and I lower the heat so that the steam cooks the pork slowly, but it tender and juicy. You don't need to add any water. The pork will release some juice. On this skillet, I toasted my rice and I ground it into powder. I use pork skin, the frozen one, the commercial. You can buy this in any Asian market. This is a shortcut for someone, want to do broken rice, but too many components to prepare before you can get into the final rice you can eat. But because the commercial, you can see it's so white because they bleach it. To treat that, you need to clean it well until the water run clear. And you can chop it short. It's up to you. It's optional. You can leave it long. The long won't bother me, but the critical tip that you need to keep the pork skin dry. You can use paper towel or drain on the surface so that it dry. That is guarantee the fluffy texture, non-sticky version. You can see it's received the powder very well. Now I add the minced garlic and chili. My kitchen tips for you: you can mince garlic and chili and keep it in the fridge. Anytime you need it, you just take out and use. Better than, every time you need mince garlic and chili, you go peel the garlic, take out the seeds of the chili, and then mince. It's very, very cumbersome and a lot of work for something that you are concentrated on now. Can you see the meat that I slice now? The meat is so juicy. That is the reason we use slow cook for the steam cook the pork. It prevented the fibers of the meat get tough. Now let me show you again. It's so juicy. I want to eat a piece now, but I hold it. I try to cut it to the end so that we can mix with the pork skin. You can cut this matchstick size or the size of the pork skin so that they are uniform. So finally I'm done now. I use the juice of the pork cooked in to drizzle over my pork. This way the pork keep being juicy and sweet. I have remaining powder here. I add to it now. For some Vietnamese people, they will use chicken powder, seasoning powder here, but that is the MSG. I tend to skip away from it. Now we're done. Ta-da! I'm glad you like my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.